this drone can definitely fly, alright? That's one thing it can do.
Trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heartbeat loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite drink. The air is heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted mist. Reflections twist in a fevered haze. The crowd is asleep, but I'm still alone. Chasing whispers I'm never on. Yeah, it's heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze. Yeah, glow, glow, shadow glow. Falling deeper, I don't know. Glow, glow, shadow glow. Pull me under, don't let go. Shadow glow, falling deeper, I don't know. Glow, shadow glow. Pull me under, don't let go.
Can I be your superhero? You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more now? I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems that we pour out? Filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero. No, I shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I
here to talk about this drone. Alright, so it can fly. It charges about 1 hour. And the black thingies are for forward, the red ones are for backward. You can fly for about 6 minutes, and it's great. It's great. It has some barometer or something for air pressure, so it knows what it takes to stay at some altitude, and it's nice. It's very nice. It costs about $22. It's very nice. That's it. Okay, it's a ticking bomb now. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Oh no! Okay! This happens a lot. This thingy comes out. It comes out, and I have troubles with it. I have troubles with it. This thing is for landing. It starts landing. If I go up and I click that, it'll start landing, but I want it to land now. I don't want it to land. Oh no. It's down, guys. It's down. So we are here to talk about this drone. And this drone can fly alright. This is one thing it can do. It charges for up to 1 hour. And after that you have about 6 minutes to fly it. The black things are straight. The yellow things are back.